What's happening? I'm Joe. Let's take a look at the Totally FK and Awesome from Capita. Board's going to have a directional twin shape with the nose being just a little bit longer to give you some added loft out there in the deep stuff. Has the FK Freestyle profile, so you've got camber between your feet and reverse camber on the outside of your feet, so you'll be able to tackle just about any condition out there on the mountain. You've got flat kick design here on the tip and the tail where they tighten up that radius right there, and in turn it's going to allow you to have quicker maneuverability and a little more control out there when you're carving around. Now they've got carbon fiber strands that extend, they kind of wing out from the inserts out to the contact points on each end there, and it's going to give you a lot more structural rigidity. Nothing says Totally FK and Awesome more than windsurfing, hot chicks, neon colors from the 80s, Speedos. We'll skip the Speedos and stick with the Chica. It's the Totally FK and Awesome. That's from Capita.